wants to stop. No, you don't have to push it down. There you go. Now that Josie's figured out how to work my camera. Am I in the screen?
Yes, you're in.
It looks like you're like...
No, you're in the screen. It's the wild and rare Emily cat. She's very rare. Let's try not to disturb her. Oh no, she stole my camera.
Okay.
Her camera.
Yeah, she stole her camera. It's probably not very attractive. I probably look like a lazy bum. I feel like a lazy bum. Oh my gosh! You get tagged.
Here's Emily's mommy and Emily's daddy, who's kind of blocked by the seat. There's Emily's daddy. Say something fun. Ooh, you got like light beams in front of your face because the car that we just passed.
Sweet. Buzz Lightyear.
Emily's Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. I'm going to never let you live that down. Finger 11. Tsunami!
Tsunami!
I said tsunami!
Tsunami!
Kabuto? Orochimaru!
No!
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Yeah. Can't wait till Otakon next year. What do you mean,
That'll be fun.
It will be.
50-50 chance we'll make it be. Yeah, I know. My parents are gonna be in Florida that weekend. I sound like a deadbeat. I'm so tired right now.
Then let's take her away until she wakes up.
Josie.
What?
I don't like you.
I don't like you either, so it worked.
Meh.
Meh. Bleh. Ew. Yeah.
Well, this is boring.
It is.
You're not doing anything interesting. Ew, that's funny.
No, it's not. I hate you.
Okay, here, we'll give Josie the camera back. Ah!
Don't you mean the Josinator?
Josinator.
I gotta love Jimmy. You really gotta.
I can't do it like Jimmy can.
Jimmy is.
What are you shooting?
You!
It looks like you're like, we're out the window.
No, you're in the whole shot.
You're bad with cameras.
You're in the whole shot. It is like you.
I'm fabulous.
Cricket. Cricket. Cricket.
I knew right you with cricket. Oh, gee.
Oh God, it's slow.
It's blue. Okay, you want to play this thing back now?
Nah.